Hey, let's talk about raw garlic. Raw garlic is like an herbal antibiotic. It's super high in vitamin C potency, and garlic is effective on viral infections and bacterial infections. Antibiotics only treat bacterial infections. They don't treat viral infections. But garlic will enhance your health over the viral infections and the bacterial infections. I prefer raw garlic in its truest form rather than garlic capsules. I'm not saying anything bad about garlic capsules, but I was just raised eating raw garlic. So what you could do is go to like Walmart or one of these stores that you prefer, and they have these jars. Some of these stores have these jars of minced garlic, just finely diced up garlic, and you would just take a teaspoon of that, just like I said about the onion yesterday. Mix it with like one of those little small containers of applesauce. Just stir it up, spoon and swallow. And by doing that, you boost your immune system. You help rid any sorts of common cold type of infection. That's another thing. The garlic has influence over the common cold as well. So anyway, you'll help bolster your immune system from all this crap that's going on around us. And in the summertime, while you got garlic in your system, for the most part, mosquitoes won't even bite you because they don't like the smell of garlic. So I guess it just depends on how the garlic seeps from your pores compared to someone else. But I don't get bothered by mosquitoes when I have garlic in my system. Garlic is also an anti-inflammatory, so if you have arthritis or some sort of joint pain, any sort of inflammation, it can be shoulder pain from a dry socket, it could be whatever, and keep garlic in your system, and it will help to alleviate that inflammation. Say someone has gangrene from some sort of untreated wound, and they have gangrene. Now, gangrene can lead to amputation. Gangrene can lead to amputation. I think my foreman is about to come over here. Anyway, someone that has gangrene, let's just say their infection site is about the diameter of a quarter. You can take a real garlic clove and break down the bulb to get yourself a clove, and you cut you a slice off about the size of a nickel or something, or even a dime. Cut you 2 slices that are about the size of a dime, just thin slices, and you place them inside of one piece of gauze cloth, just one piece. Just open it up and place garlic in there, and then close it back, place it on your wound, and then wrap it with garlic. With gauze. Wrap it with gauze, but don't smother it. So when you wrap it, don't smother it, let it breathe, and it will pull that gangrene out. It will pull that gangrene straight out. Yeah. It'll pull that gangrene straight out of there. And of course, that's a real bonus because it prevents amputation. So people that have diabetes have real bad circulation to their feet, and when they get cuts or anything like that, their feet don't heal. Yeah, their feet don't heal. And so when it's like that, yeah. When it's like that, of course, that could lead to amputation of the foot, all the way up to the knee, possibly part of the leg, you know, and just depending on the infection site. So if you know anybody that has diabetes and that have open sores and stuff on their feet, you should, or they should for sure, take this very seriously and consider doing what I'm saying. And if you have a large infection site, we'll just put gauze with garlic all over the place surrounding that infection. And when you wrap it with gauze to secure the garlic in place, you want to wrap it about as snug as a sock would be if you pull your sock up on your calf. That's about how snug it should be, so that it keeps all the garlic in place, but it lets it breathe. So that'll save somebody from amputation. There's so many benefits to garlic, but those are just a few. But raw garlic is going to be more effective than cooked garlic. Cooked garlic will just add real good flavor. It may have some other essential benefits depending on how much you cooked it, but raw garlic will give you that real benefit if you have any of these problems. So give that a try, and it'll help. You won't regret it.